All right, hey everybody, and wanted to check in with this market update. Let's take a look at what's happening. Now, just a couple of days ago, I made a post about CRO, and I said that this coin just broke a 9-month resistance. And as you can see, right, we came up to this level, and this is crypto versus Bitcoin, okay? February 23rd, 2021. We just peeked our heads above that level. We came back down. So technically, we have not closed the candle above this level. Actually, longer than that. Let me, since actually over here, 26th of November, 2020. Wow. So it's actually an entire year that we've been below this area, but we've been consolidating in this upper area since February, right? So 9 months of sideways consolidation. And once we finally got above that level with a strong candle, I said, guys, look out for this. We broke a 9-month resistance, and look what happened. That resulted in, right, about 46% gains. I mean, that pretty much happened overnight, guys. That pretty much happened within 24 hours of me posting that. 46% gains, right? And this is gains in Bitcoin, by the way, right? So imagine that you got 50% more Bitcoin on this single trade here, okay? Now, right now, we've come back up to retest the previous high, and it's looking like we're getting some resistance here. So it might be time for a little cool down. We're very overbought right now as well on the daily RSI, on the 4-hour RSI. We were also very overbought. We held some major support here at this area, 538. So if we break this 538 area, we may come, well, we should get a bounce off of the 50 right here, 464, somewhere around there. But, when you think about it, we really have not come back and retested this level as support. So in needing a major cool down, if we were to drop from here, I mean, that would really only be 30%, which is normal, right? I mean, that's normal in a bull run to get a pullback of about 30% or so. So if we are cooling down right now because we are, pretty overbought, then, if it comes back down in these areas, guys, that is your opportunity to buy because you missed it when it popped out right here. So if we come back down, I mean, and this is on the daily now. Again, you can see we're very extended on the Bollinger Bands. The median of the Bollinger Band is all the way down here at 392. So by the time this maybe gets above here, look out for that, especially when we come back down and we touch the median. That's always a good place to buy for a bounce, right? It's always a good place to buy for a bounce. So look out for that with CRO. I posted about certain exchange coins that were going to burst. Here is KuCoin shares. So again, huge opportunity here, guys. Remember when I posted it for you guys, KuCoin shares was at like I think 17 or 18 bucks, and I said we're coming back up to retest this all-time high. If we break above this all-time high, right, there's a lot of room for this measured move. Okay. Measured move, we're going to take it here. Let's say we just did from here to here, right? That is about $10, roughly $10. So if this breakout point is 19, then we're looking for like a $29 KuCoin shares. Okay, so that's about another from here, from where it is right now, like 30 something percent. I think I would probably wait though until it came right back down to this level at around the $20 level, because I'd like to see it come back down here and confirm support. Once it comes back down here and confirms support, then that is a great point for me to take a trade on that and look for about 40% gains in the pretty near future. So look out for that with KuCoin shares. I also talked about Huobi token. I haven't looked at it in a while actually, so let's see. So when I was talking about Huobi token, I think it was somewhere around $7 or $8. So it still hasn't exploded the way that it's going to yet. As you can see, it came all the way down, guys, from $40. Call it $40, 84% drop, all the way down to $6 and something cents. So from its low, it's already up 83%. And you better believe it's going to come back up here, guys. So from here with Huobi token, 1 second here, you'd be looking at 241% gains on Huobi token just to get back to its all-time high, right? Um, so pay attention to that. Let's take a look at what VITE is doing. Okay, so I told you guys about VITE when it was, I think, between 11 and 12 cents. So it's up now, not all that much, maybe 10% or so. It spiked 2 times to 15 cents. But like I said, we see that this thing is curving, right? Like it wants to go parabolic. So watch out for that. I gave my explanation on VITE already. I hadn't researched it a lot. I just based on the chart, I thought that it would be something that would be pretty good for at least a 50 to 60% gains on VITE, right? That's what I was looking for. I would expect definitely some resistance along this area. We can look directly across and we can see how many touch points we have at this level, right? Tons. So I would definitely expect that around 18.9 cents, almost 19 cents. I'd expect us to get some resistance there, right? So watch out for that for VITE. BNB. BNB doing its thing. Right back up now, challenging the all-time high again at $680. So guys, once if you're a swing trader, if you're looking to get into a short-term trade, normally we don't burst through on the very first try. I mean, maybe it'll take a little dip. Maybe, I don't know for sure. I'm just saying here. So maybe it'll take a little dip. I'd expect it to maybe get just a little rejection. It's the first time we've been back up to the all-time high since May. So I would not expect to just burst through the all-time high on the first try. Normally that never happens. So, maybe we get a little rejection, maybe come cool off back down to this area around 544. I think if it comes back down to 544, you can back up the truck because then it'll get some rest, come back up. There's a lot more coins and stuff being listed now on the Binance Smart Chain, simply because the fees are cheaper, right? So people are building on that platform because the swap fees are cheaper. It's just that simple. So Binance Coin looking strong. I think we could look for easily a $1,200 to $1,800 Binance Coin by the end of this run. Let's see. Wow, somebody got lucky. Somebody got really lucky here. Got to buy some BNB at $231. I was looking for a chart, guys. There was one chart that actually had a wick for BNB, like up at I think it was up at $1,800 or something. Wow. Folks, if you have loads of a particular coin, please do not do a market sell. You're gonna lose. You're gonna miss out on a lot of money doing this market sell, right? If you have tons of it, because it'll just go down and keep filling orders. And look, it ended up filling somebody's order down here at $9. That's crazy. So guys, just be aware of that, please. Be aware of that. Okay. So that's Binance Coin. Digibyte. Want to also take a look at Digibyte because that is popping up on my indicator. So that's normally a good sign. As you can see here, we've kind of done this. We did a double bottom right here. And now could almost be considered another double bottom right there. But let's see. We did it there, did it there, and then again here and here. Um, so the overall big picture is Digibyte wants to get back up here, right? Which is at 16 cents. It's at 5 cents right now. Digibyte is a good buy. Oops, I gotta come out of this tool here. Okay, so measured move from here just back to the May all-time high for Digibyte. We're looking at 200%. That is pretty solid. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Digibyte definitely wants to get back up there. Um, so look out for that. If we fall below 2 cents, though, that would be trouble. That would be trouble. We could come all the way back down to sub penny if that happens. But so far, the support is looking very strong for Digibyte. All right. Update on Jasmy. Okay, so Jasmy so far holding strong. I mean, we broke out of this tight squeeze for the Bollinger Bands. We're out of the Bollinger Bands right now. So, like I said, normally when you come out of the Bollinger Bands, they act like rubber bands. There's only so long you can be out of it for. You have to come back inside of it. So we want this median to come and catch up. I mean, otherwise, it'll pull us down for a bit. However, so far, it's been good to see Jasmy holding this support level. I talked about this in previous videos between 18 and 20 cents, holding that level of support. We need to hold this. If we break below this, then I can definitely see us heading down to about 13 to 14 cents. And this, of course, this is all temporary cool down period, right? I mean, once again, look at this. This is Jasmy. It looks good. It looks good. And you're talking about the potential for upside. It's absolutely ridiculous. Even from where it is right now, back up to its all-time high is 1,400%. That's 14x, guys. It traded as high as $2.79 on a particular exchange, right? So we're at 22 cents right now. Okay. So just think about that. So yeah, Jasmy looking strong. All right, guys. So that's just a general market update that I wanted to bring. And if you enjoy the content, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody else. Let's get these likes and these subscriptions up, and I can continue bringing more and more content. Remember, if you have a particular coin that you would like for me to cover, I'm not opposed to covering any altcoins whatsoever. So if you are, leave that in the comment box for me, and I'll be sure to check it out. I'll give you my honest opinion on what I think. All right, take care, everybody. All the best.